Hi friends, this is Prime Minister YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change notification sound in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings. Then go to sound and vibration. Here select notification ringtone. And these are always system tone. Just select anyone. I have selected to bubble, and if you want to mute you can choose first option. There will be no sound for no notification sound in your phone Vivo Y100 5G if you choose mute. Finally I keep on cuckoo. If you want to set your own custom ringtone, yes, you can do it. Before that, see the selection. Go back and you can see this selection here. Notification ringtone is set to cuckoo. Again, click on notification ringtone and click on custom ringtone. Here, if you have any music file in your local gallery or in your external memory card that you have inserted here, they will be listed here, and you can choose any mp3 file, any music file from here to set as notification tone or notification ringtone. But unfortunately I don't have any music file, so nothing is showing here. Okay, but if you have some music file, that should be reflected here, and from here you can just choose anyone to set as notification tone. So in this two way you can set a notification ringtone for your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.